Hello everyone. Is your car having trouble shifting gears, slipping, or going into limp mode? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0770 Shift Solenoid E Malfunction, it means there's a problem with one of the key components that control your transmission shifts. Ignoring this issue can lead to severe transmission damage and costly repairs. In this video, I'll explain what P0770 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors and components so you can fix it yourself. Let's dive in. What is P0770? The P0770 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects a malfunction in Shift Solenoid E. This solenoid helps regulate hydraulic pressure to shift gears smoothly. If this solenoid fails, you may experience hard or delayed shifting gear slipping or getting stuck in one gear. Check engine light and transmission warning light on limp mode. Car won't shift past second or third gear. Poor fuel efficiency and overheating transmission. If you notice any of these symptoms, let's locate the important components. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0770, focus on these key components. Shift Solenoid E location, inside the transmission valve body, just under the transmission fluid pan. Function, controls hydraulic pressure for shifting gears. Transmission fluid pressure, TFP, sensor location, mounted on the transmission case near the valve body. Function, monitors transmission fluid pressure and helps regulate shifting. Transmission input speed sensor, ISS sensor. Location, attached to the transmission housing near the input shaft. Function, measures the input shaft speed and sends data to the PCM. Transmission control module, TCM. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location, usually found in the engine bay, near the firewall, or under the dashboard. Function, sends electrical signals to control the shift solenoids. Wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the solenoids, sensors, and PCM-TCM. Function, transfers electrical signals. Damaged wiring can lead to solenoid failure. Common causes of P0770 faulty shift, solenoid E. The solenoid may be stuck, clogged, or have an internal electrical failure. Low or contaminated transmission. Fluid, dirty or old fluid can block solenoids, causing shifting issues. Wiring or connector issues. Corrosion, frayed wires, or loose connectors can disrupt electrical signals. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor. Incorrect readings can prevent proper shifting. PCM-TCM malfunction. Software glitches or hardware failures may cause improper solenoid operation. Internal transmission damage. Worn clutch packs or valve body problems can trigger this code. How to fix P0770. Step 1. Check the transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect Shift Solenoid E. Test its electrical resistance with a multimeter. Step 3. Examine the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Compare its readings to factory specs. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, loose connections, or damage. Step 5. Test the input speed sensor, ISS. Ensure it's providing accurate data. Step 6. Scan for PCM-TCM errors, update or reprogram if necessary. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check if the issue persists. Final words, a malfunctioning shift. Solenoid E can cause serious transmission shifting issues, so fixing P0770 early can prevent major repairs. Always check your transmission fluid, sensors, and wiring to keep your car running smoothly. For more car repair tips, check out these videos next. P0406, exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, sensor. A circuit high P0407, exhaust gas recirculation, EGR. Sensor B circuit. Low like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.